Hello, my name's Lissy from Motormatch Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz E-Class 3-litre E450 V6 AMG line Premium Plus G-Tronic Plus 4MATIC. There is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in selenite grey metallic. To start off with then, you have multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5 twin-spoke titanium grey alloy wheels that really complement the selenite grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have the Artico leather and Dynamica microfiber upholstery finished in black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you have that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 61,091 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your configurable ambient lighting that can be found in the dash, as well as within the fan, so you can personalise the car to you that bit more. As well as this, you also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. To help in those difficult parking situations, you have a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz E-Class 3-litre E450 V6 AMG line Premium Plus G-Tronic Plus 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motormatch Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.